How to contact Farlight 84 support. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're playing Farlight 84 and need help with your account, purchases, bugs, or technical problems, you can contact the official support page. So go ahead and open up the Farlight 84 game on your device, and once you're inside the game lobby screen, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. Once you do that, go to the game option from the bottom and select service from the top right. Now click on account management, and in the user center tab, click on contact support. Now once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on customer support button at the bottom of the screen to contact the support. But if you want self-service option, then choose the account issue you have from the menu and select it. I'm just going to click on customer support button at the bottom of the screen and it will take you to this support team respond. Now, describe your issue or choose one of the options that you want help with. Enter your issue in the text box and make sure to describe your issue clearly. You can also include useful details such as your player ID, device model, game version, and screenshots if requested. So right after you do that, you will be able to contact the support team for Farlight 84. You can also contact the support via email. Simply go ahead and send your appeal to farlight84-service@farlightgames.com, and you can send the support request via email as well. You can also contact the Farlight Games general player feedback address, that is service@farlightgames.com. So those are some of the ways you can contact the support team for Farlight 84. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.